Hi, this is the flip through of the journal that I made for the 4th Annual Crafty Christmas in July 25. There was over 50 videos, there was 30 collaborators. Today is the last day to make projects and to be entered in for the prizes. There's a lot of prizes, so a lot of chances to win. So even though you just have today, I encourage you to at least make one something and turn it in. So this is the journal that I made, and I showed making it, but I didn't video when I was decorating it, okay? So I just wanted to add a little bit more to the cover of this. So I did add some glitter and things around this with the burlap and with cardboard there. And then in here, I've added a pocket here. Interesting. Another pocket, stuck in the pocket, 2 more pockets. So sometimes I like to just put things in that people can add if they want. Okay, so here's these beautiful papers. This is, let me say that there's Steampunk Christmas, which I got from Crafty Dragon Creations and Stacy McDaniel. And there was also Christmas Mice and Mushrooms from Creative Paper Artisan. That's Cara Villanova. They're both really nice kits. So check those out. There will be a link tree below with links to everything. So here we go. So now this is this pocket, the way this pocket is made, and I just use a scrap piece of paper, but you fold it like this, and you can make them exactly, the peaks exactly the same, or down a little lower. I call these the mountain pocket. They probably have other names or something. And then you fold these in, so about 1/3, and fold it, and then this tucks in here, okay? If you seal the bottom here, which I didn't do, then that becomes a pocket. Otherwise, it's like a belly band that comes out. But even so, you have several pockets around here that you can put things in. So you can put here, 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 and if you don't glue that bottom, this can unfold, and it's a journaling spot, okay? Another ticket that I didn't pull out, okay? So it's pretty cool. If you glue the bottom, then it doesn't unfold, but it's still very interesting, I think. Okay, so we'll put that in there, and we will put these in here, okay? Here's a page. I just, this is a pocket that I folded over the top, and so it opens up to be hidden journaling, okay? And then this is a hidden paper clip that holds it in place, and as you can see, I decorated it, and then I put some charms hanging from it, so that's kind of fun, okay? And then we have one of the pockets in the kit right here with, this is 4 tags together, so they fold out and they become a cute expandable journaling spot. So here we have lots of writing pages, both on the backs that have decorated and the line pages. This is another one of those mountain pockets. And this slides, okay? So you've got 3, so you've got journaling on the back. And then the pockets you've got a pocket, because I glued it on this side and this side. You've got a pocket here, a pocket here, a pocket here. This is like a belly band because it could slide out. Then a pocket here and a pocket here. So lots of choices for you. Okay. So again, I believe you can journal on this very easily. This folds out. So the Steampunk Fairy wishing you a Merry Christmas. This is just a fanciful decoration on the top, but you can write on this. Okay, and so then we have this, and then this is the beginning of the accordion pocket where you can put things in. So for me, when you have something like this, if you carry this with you when you're shopping, you have places for your lists of what you need to do and what you need to buy and presents, and then those pockets at the back, you could put gift cards in them or all kinds of things. So that's my project. I hope you enjoyed it. Please check out the other creators. There are some awesome projects here. And thank you, Teri, very much for inviting me. I'm sorry that, because of the illness and stuff that we had this month, that I couldn't do as much as I wanted to. But thanks for letting me participate.